Hello friend, welcome. In this series we are going to build a social web app with Django from scratch. This is the list of functionalities that we are going to build in this series. The first one is authentication. Users should be able to log in, register and log out, create profile and post with upload photos. Validation and permissions. What means permissions? For example, just the owner of a post or profile should be able to edit or delete it. Sending messages. Users should be able to send message for each other. Follow, like, comment are three functionalities that every social network has. Live notifications is another capability that we are going to build in this series. When someone puts a comment under your post or like your post, you should be notified lively. Chat messages. Users should be able to chat with each other in real time without the need to refresh the page to see the messages. If you are interested in learning Django by doing real projects, please follow me and let our journey begin.